Hello again, my name's John. I'm a retired chef from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to another one of my videos. With the Christmas holidays just around the corner, I thought I'd update a couple of my videos, starting with my Yorkshire pudding recipe. You can make these either on the day or a couple of days before, as they freeze very well. And here's a list of the simple ingredients you'll need to make these wonderful Yorkshire puddings. And to follow along with this very quick recipe, you'll need a 12-cup muffin tin like the one on screen. Before I start, I'll preheat the oven to 210 degrees Celsius, that's 410 Fahrenheit, or gas mark 7. I'm setting mine to 190 Celsius as my oven's fan assisted and it runs about 20 degrees hotter than indicated on the dial. Traditionally, these are made with beef dripping, but you can use lard or vegetable oil. Put about 3 grams in each cup as shown. Once that's done, get it straight into the oven and it can heat up at the same time as the oven does while I'm mixing the batter. Okay, I'll let you watch while I get it mixed. You can use a machine to do this part, but only until the batter comes together. If you overmix it at high speed, they will not rise. Don't ask me why, because I don't know, but I've made hundreds of thousands of these, so you'll just have to take my word for it. Once you get to this bit, just add a little bit of the milk and water at a time until it becomes a smooth paste. Then you can safely add the rest of the liquid. If you put it all in at the same time, it'll become very lumpy and it'll take you ages to beat them out. And there you go, nice and smooth. Now I can add the rest of the liquid and give it a whisk for a minute, and that's all it needs. And now I'll get it into a jug, and that'll make it easier to pour into the hot tins. Right, the tin's been in the oven for about 5 minutes, so it'll be very hot. Now I'll carefully but quickly half fill each cup. There should be enough to do all 12. And now I'll get them straight into the preheated oven and set the timer for 30 minutes. Once the time's up, just take them out and they're ready to serve straight from the oven. And that's all there is to making perfect golden crisp Yorkshire puddings at home. Simple, delicious and much better than the bought ones. And like I said earlier, you can make these well in advance because they freeze very well, and it only takes 3 to 4 minutes to reheat from frozen in a hot oven. Why not try these with the roast beef recipe I posted a couple of weeks ago? There's not a better combination than roast beef and homemade Yorkshire puddings. And if you've enjoyed the video, please give a big thumbs up. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. and by doing that you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in the kitchen and bye for now.